هلو جايز ومرحبا بكم معايا فيديو جديده. الوغ هاد لا فيديو غادي يكون ان فلوغ، غادي نفلوغي لكم النهار كيف ما ديما، غير هو هاد لا فيديو هادي غادي ندوي بلونجلي، غادي نديرو تحدي 24 اور ندوي بلونجلي الفيديو كامله من غير هاد لابارتي هادي ديال لانترو. ما عنديش الحق نهضر بالعربيه النهار كامل. انا لونجلي لغه كتعجبني بزاف، كنكتب بها بزاف، ولكن ما بقيتش كنهضر بها. سنين هادي ما هضرت بلونجلي، كنت شحال هادي كنقراها، دونك كنت كنبراكتيسيها مع الاستاذ في القسم وداكشي، وواقيلا بدات كتمشي ليا كاع. دونك غادي نديرو هاد التحدي هذا ونشوف واش غادي نقدر ندوز معكم لا فيديو كلها غير اونجلي. غادي نعاودو دابا لانترو بلونجلي، جاني ستريس. هلو جايز hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in this video we're gonna talk only English. I know when I'm gonna edit this I will cringe and I will find it so weird, but this is the challenge. We're gonna try to talk only English for 24 hours, for the whole day. By the way by the way, no one is allowed to make fun of my accent or my English or نتفقوا من هنا. خلينا نقولها بالانجلي. Let's make it clear. No one is allowed to make fun of my accent or my English. If I make any mistake ديروا عين ميكا. صافي خاصني نحيد هاد البساله نبقى نقول كلمات بالعربيه من هنا من لهيه. Because I actually speak English, French and Arabic in one sentence. I mix all those three languages, and now that I have to stick to one language, it's gonna be a little bit different, a little bit hard. I'm gonna do a lot of in my sentences, but bear with me. By the way, I want to say sorry for people who don't understand English. I don't know if I can do the subtitle. I don't think I can. Breath. What's breath in English? Breath. I just woke up and I think you can tell. Now I'm gonna go have breakfast and we'll start the day. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm sorry if you can hear any background sounds. For breakfast I'm gonna have coffee, milk and coffee. We're gonna pour some milk on our cup, and then I'm gonna have a toast with the cheese, with cream cheese. My toast is in the toaster, getting toasted, and I'm gonna نسخن الحليب. How do we say that? I'm gonna boil. نفيض الحليب. I'm gonna boil my milk. I hate cold milk, so I'm gonna. After my breakfast, especially when I'm having coffee and milk, I want to poop. If I was talking to you in Arabic, in Moroccan dialect, I could never say poop. Or I feel like in English I can say way more things than I can do in Arabic. Now I'm going to the rooftop to make my clothes air dry. We're gonna go to the rooftop. I can't explain more. There's a dog. There's workers building a house or whatever. Now, I always tell you that I don't do house chores. I always tell you that I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't wash. And then in my vlogs I show you this. I just want to tell you that this is my first time hanging out clothes in the rooftop. And I'm documenting the first time. Sorry, I cannot speak with the noise. We're gonna go. Bye bye. Hello back. I always say hello back so it doesn't feel that weird. I wasn't vlogging the whole morning, so after the rooftop was ياك. I came back, I ate lunch and I got dressed because I'm going out now to do some errands. And now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do just a very soft makeup, no foundation, nothing crazy. I want to look more pulled together. I used to have a friend that we used to talk only English. We don't talk now very often, but back then we used to talk in English together. So I'm starting with moisturizer. I'm gonna moisturize. I'm gonna moisturize my face. You know, maybe I'm going to go to a cafe alone by myself. It's something I've always wanted to do, and sit all by myself and drink a coffee and enjoy the moment by myself. So now I'm filling in my brows with eyeshadow, with brown eyeshadow. I feel like today I'm doing a lot of new things. I don't know. I do watch a lot of MUAs, a lot of makeup artists on YouTube, American beauty content creator. So I do know a lot of technical terms concerning makeup in English. I've learned makeup from YouTube, especially from American native speakers. Now I'm gonna do some concealer under my eye to cover my dark circles. English was always my favorite language since a very young age. I do love to write in English. I do write a lot on my journal. I have a bullet journal. I do write quotes. I have an Instagram page called Her Real Thoughts. And I do write in English. So English is the language where I can express myself the most. But speaking English, it's not something I do very often. As any language, if you don't practice, you start losing it. Tell me in the comment section what's your favorite language. It may be a language that you speak or just a language that you like. I wanted once to learn Spanish, but I didn't. Now I'm using powder to fix my concealer. Not fix, to mattify my skin. So the powder I'm using is from Kiko. My concealer too is from Kiko. And I'm going to put powder on my whole face. I'm gonna use a bigger brush for my whole face. I haven't put on any foundation or anything, but just to mattify my face and not... Bref is something I have to find the equivalent of it in English. Bref. So it's ready. Now I will do one coat of mascara. I'm using the Essence one. As always, I messed up a little bit here on my eyelid, but it's okay. We're gonna let it dry a little bit and then I'm gonna remove it with this goupillon. Now I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna use this palette from Revolution and just a little bit, just to bring back the color to my face. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use this one from Sephora, La Référence. In the shade Flirt It Up. We smile and then we put on some blush, a little bit on the nose, and that's it. I'm going to go back to my eyelid to clean up the mess I made. For my lips, I'm just going to use a lip balm. I removed any concealer or powder on my face, on my lips, not face, and a little bit of lip balm. صراحة, I don't like it. I'm gonna do this nude color from Colourpop in the shade Bloom to Bloom, Velvet Blur. That's it. I think it's better. And for my hair, I don't like my hair. I have a bad hair day today. You know when I don't like my hair, what I do? I do a middle part. I'm gonna take a small piece and tuck it under my ear, like this. Same thing for the other side. What do you think? It's better like this or not? I have no choice. I haven't showed you my outfit, so this is the outfit. ما كيبانش مزيان. Hi. I'm gonna wear this coat. This is the outfit. Tell me in the comment how do you think my outfit is. Hello back.
Hi everyone.
اجي.
Hi everyone.
لا كيبان وجهك صغير.
ماشي سوقك.
We speak English today. Today it's English.
Hi. It's good.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
كان بحال أطول منك بزاف. لا we speak English.
I'm taller than her.
Yes, but here I look taller than you.
She's so short. Social media is so fake.
You are fake with your tongue.
I'm not fake.
So hello back. It's weird to talk in English, but
I am sorry.
I am sorry. I don't speak in. I am sorry. I don't speak in.
But I am speaking English
50-50. So الدراري I just came home.
I came home earlier.
No, earlier?
Yes.
We came home. شوفي كتقطعي لي راسي. We came home the same time.
No, she came before me.
Yes, I came before her.
She was peeing when I came.
Really, we don't share those things.
We shared it.
I love you. I just came home and she came too. We don't have the same chair. That's why.
Uneven.
Uneven. Yes, thank you for the word.
What's
Oh,
that?
okay. Now it's okay. People in the comments tell me that we don't look alike.
Yes, because I was adopted.
People in not people. صراحة people. Everyone. You wanna laugh. People in the comments tell me that we don't look alike. We are sisters, but we don't look alike. A girl in the comments told me.
Oh,
She told me why you are white and your sister is a little bit
brown.
You're not brown. You're cute. You're beautiful.
It doesn't mean I'm brown. I'm ugly.
You're not as white as me, but you are white in your own way.
دونك الخيب بزاف.
انت مقاصه لتحت. طلعي ها انت ديري القيمه لراسك.
واش كديري هاد؟
It's true that we don't look alike. ولكن let's find the similarities. We have the same forehead.
No, yours is bigger. You have.
You're exposing me. ما لوش هاد الشيء ما تعرفش لي جبتي.
What is it? May you have a heart shape. I don't have the same eyebrows, nor the same eyes, nor the same
Yeah, maybe
nose.
we have the same eyebrows. We have the same eyebrows.
No.
I guess we do have the same eyebrows.
I don't. We don't have the same nose.
We don't have the
I
same
don't
nose.
know where I got my nose from.
We don't have the
Same lips.
Same lips. Maybe the same lips.
No.
She is bullying me,
I'm
guys.
not.
She is bullying me.
I'm saying fact. She doesn't have a dimple.
I have.
You don't.
They're small, but
Too much drama.
فينيا. Look,
أنا عندي واحدة أخرى.
mine is small.
هذه I have it small. I don't count it.
But I'm sure we have the same pure heart. You're
not pure. ماكو شك بنشوف.
In English. Why
your hair is messy?
My hair is messy because today is a bad hair day. You look so cute. ما شاء الله. Say ما شاء الله. People should say ما شاء الله more often because when they see something good they say wow it's good. No, you should say ما شاء الله it's good. I want to tell you a thing. I want you to explain to everyone why you don't want to film with me videos.
I want,
but
she doesn't. She's so need to find the word. She's so
شنو بغيتي تقصدي؟
كتحكم بالهم هنايا
بالانجلي
هنا تمزال دير الماطور.
نكتبوا لكم هنا
ولا الا كتبت لكم هنايا
we talk English
بلوكيو.
فين بغيتي نكتب
هنا
شويه
ولا
انا كنتحكم.
See, for example, for the video that I choose for her whatever she wants to do. Whatever I say, like for example, do a eyeshadow, like a smoky
with red lips.
She's like, no, but like the whole concept of the video is for me to choose what she will do. But it's basically no. Even like the outfit, when I told her to wear this dress, she was like, I don't want it, and until I convinced her, she wore it. That's why I don't like making videos with her. It's not like I don't want to make videos with her. It's unconsciously because every time I make a video, she always got her way, you know. It's like me who will choose, but like it's not me. She's just saying it's me because at the end she will choose.
هادشي كلشي دايره في قلبك.
Allah!
It's not true, because that day when I let her choose whatever she wants for me, we were going out. How can I go out with the dark eyeshadows and
It's your
things?
business. You told me to choose for you.
Bref. شنو هي bref in English?
Anyways.
Bref them.
Anyways.
Anyway, since the morning I'm saying just bref.
Her English is
Since the morning, since I start filming this video, I want a word who can replace bref.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
We haven't finished yet. She is gonna leave us, but we're gonna continue together. You want to stay?
I want all of you to comment, the ones that wants me to stay, but I'm going anyway.
I'm just going to clean my face and do my skincare and give you a review of the day before leaving. I will clean my face, clean this makeup. When I went out, I had few errands to do. I did things, but I couldn't do everything. I went to buy some skincare products and I didn't find them. They were out of stock. And then I went to the coffee shop all by myself. I brought with me a book and I read it alone. I'm trying to enjoy my own company. It's something that I've been working on for quite a bit now, because I'm not okay when I'm alone. I fear being alone. Spending time with yourself allows you to discover yourself. Big part of my growth journey is to discover myself and to enjoy my own company, to learn a lot of things about myself. On that note, I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comment section if you want me to talk more in English. I need to practice more my English, that's for sure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My Instagram is right here. Follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. ما جاتنيش نسالي هذا الفيديو بلا ما نهضر معكم بالعربيه بالدارجه باللغه ديالنا. جيسبر انه هاد لا فيديو تكون عجباتكم. الا عجباتكم خليو لي لي لايك، خليو لي لي كومونتير ديالكم، قولوا لي كيفاش جاتكم هاد ليكسبيريونس. اول مره صراحه نهضر في فيديو كامله بالانجلي. تعثرت شويه باش نخرج شويه داك الانجلي اللي عندي شويه غامل في راسي. سيتي اون اكسبيريونس بور شانجي ان بو دي فلوغ العاديين، دوينا ان بو بالانجلي. قولوا لي كيفاش جاتكم الفكره. جيسبر انها تكون عجباتكم ونتلاقاو ان شاء الله في فيديو جديده. باي باي. Milk and coffee, milk. I'm sorry for the background. I'm sorry. Oh my god. After my breakfast. But now that we're bref. It's so hard to say it in English. At the heck. And I'm in my school, at school. And it's because كوني الجملة في راسك قاعد هضري تبقاي No. Come next to me. We look tell me. It's not funny. I'm sure.
بغيت ندير بيرسينغ.
كرسي الارض. صحابك الانجلي هضرنا بالانجلي الضفري واخا كاينش واخا. I've told it in the my English is flown away.
Darling, you